Good day everyone, I'm Venessa and in this video you're going to learn about basketballs, what are the basic skills and different officiating rules and regulations in basketball. Basketball is considered as one of the most popular games in the world. And for you to be able to be knowledgeable about basketball, I will explain and perform the different basic skills with the ball like proper dribbling, passing, jump shot, layup, and also the referee signals with whistle, the different basketball violations, fouls, and other signals. For the basic skills with the ball, you're going to learn about proper dribbling, passing techniques, jump shots, and layup. Dribbling. In playing basketball, it's important to learn the basics of dribbling. As a player in the possession of the ball, you can only move while dribbling. And to dribble well, you have to work on positioning yourself properly, controlling the ball with your two different hands, and dribbling low. Passing. The technique for passing the ball is as important as receiving techniques. In this video, we'll learn three types of two-handed passes. It can be direct from the chest, with a bounce, and an overhead pass. For you to be able to pass the ball properly, you have to hold the ball towards your target and position yourself while keeping your body stable with your knees. Then, by throwing, you have to extend your arm in a straight line towards to your target. Jump shot or free throw. To make a good jump shot in a free throw area, you have to work on being well balanced and coordinating your jump and shots. First, you have to find your balance before receiving. You should ready yourself to shoot with your ring. Stay focused and fix your eyes on the basket. Then jump, extending your ankles, hips, and knees. Take your shot in mid-air. Release the ball highest point of jump with a light, smooth, and vertical jump. Layup. Layup is one of the easiest way to score as it taking closest to the basket. It is a running shot after a dribble using your outside hand. In layup shot, you have to work on jumping and releasing the ball by taking the ball with your both hands to start the layup while protecting from your opponents. Then, step forward onto your right foot and take a big step forward consistently. Then, raise your knee toward your chest to gain height and strength. Finally, you can lift your hand towards the hoop, holding the ball and release it in the air. And like any other, basketball has its own officiating rules and regulations, specifically violations, called out fouls, and other signals used by the referee. Violations are called on a player who beats or violates a rule of the game that are penalized with a turnover. During the game, the referee can call different violations, fouls, and other signals that is differ in level. It is essential to know the different violations, different foul calls, and different hand signals of the referee as a player and a coach for its determinants of the team's success in a play. So here are 7 basketball violations. Walking or traveling. Illegal or double dribble. Carrying or palming the ball. 5-second violation. 10 seconds violation. Over and back or half-court violation. 3 seconds or offensive player is in the lane or key for more than 3 seconds. Kicking. 7 basketball fouls. Hand check. Holding. Blocking. Pushing. Charging. Intentional foul. Technical foul. Seven other referee signals. Jump ball. 30-second timeout. Three-point attempt. 3-point score. No score. Start clock. Stop clock.